Hi, this is Sandhya Radhakrishnan. So, I have clearly explained you about the introduction of nouns and its kinds. Now, let us work out some sentences in nouns. So, this is this topic is this in this exercise you should underline the nouns. So, what is in the first sentence? Ashoka was a wise king. So, nouns means you should underline all the nouns. It may be a common noun, proper noun, collective noun, abstract noun, or material noun. Anything. It may be anything. So, in the first sentence, Ashoka was a wise king. So, Ashoka is what kind of noun? As I already told you, Ashoka is a proper noun. Why it is proper noun? Proper noun deals with all specific names of person, place, animals and things. And Ashoka comes under person. So you can underline Ashoka. Ashoka is a proper noun. And king. King is a common noun. So underlining king. Ashoka is a proper noun because it is a specific name of this king. King is a common noun. And what is the special name for king? Ashoka. So Ashoka is proper noun and king is common noun. So going to the second sentence, this book is written by him. So what is noun in this sentence? Book. Book is a thing. So it is a common thing. So book is a common noun. If the name of the book is given here, this Harry Potter book is written by him, for example. So Harry Potter book is a proper noun. Book is a common noun because book is the name of the book is Harry Potter. The book has its own specific name. So book is a common noun. In case if they have given any specific name for the book means you should underline it as a proper noun. So I hope there is no noun in this sentence. So coming to the third sentence, he is from London. So London is a name of a country. So London is a specific name of a country. So it is a proper noun. Place, proper noun for place. Then coming to the next one, boys play in the playground. Boys is a common name. Boys are called as boys only commonly. And the playground is a place where children go and play. Playground is a common place to play. So boys and playground are common nouns. So coming to the next sentence, Dravid is the captain. So the captain is a common noun. What is the specific name of the captain? That is Dravid. Dravid is the specific name of captain. So Dravid is a proper noun. Captain is a common noun. Now coming to the next sentence, America is a known country. So the country is a common noun for place. Common name for what is the specific name of this common country? This country is a common noun. What is the specific name of this country? America. So country is common noun. America is proper noun. Proper noun always starts with capital letter. Common noun always starts with small letters if it comes in the middle of the sentence. If the common noun is in the starting of the sentence, you should write it in a capital letter. Otherwise, anywhere, wherever in the middle of the sentence, if common noun comes, it should be in a small letter or cursive letter, anything small letter. This is another important point. So coming to the next sentence, gold is a costly metal. So gold comes under what noun? Material noun. So material noun. Now in this exercise we are underlining all the nouns, all kinds of nouns. So gold is a material noun. So I am underlining it. Metal. Metal is a common name. Okay. So metal is also common noun. Gold is a material noun. Next one, Delhi is the capital of India. See, India is a country, specific name of a country. So all specific name is otherwise called as proper noun. So this India is starting, even though it is in the end of the sentence, I have written only in capital letter, I capital. So India is a proper noun because it is a specific name of a country. Okay. And again Delhi. So Delhi is also a city name. Okay. So it is a specific name of a city. So it is also a proper noun. So city means common noun. Specific name, Chennai is a city. Delhi is a city. These are all proper nouns. Country is a common noun. India is a proper noun. Capital of India. Capital and all common only. So what country is capital? India. India is a proper noun. So next sentence is Antarctica is the coldest continent. So continent is a common noun. Antarctica is a proper noun. Specific name for the continent. What is the specific name for this continent? Coldest continent is Antarctica. So continent is common noun. Specific name for this continent is Antarctica. This is proper noun. Coming to the next sentence, Shatabdi Express is a fast train. Train is a common noun. Shatabdi, what is the name of the train? Shatabdi Express. This is a proper noun. So train is a common noun. Shatabdi Express is a proper noun. So next topic, underline the proper nouns. Now in this exercise they have asked you to underline only the proper noun, not all the kinds of nouns. The first point is George bought a bat. That is, George bought a bat. George is a person's specific name. So this is a proper noun. So India is our country. India is a specific name of that country. So it is a proper noun. Marina Beach is beautiful. So beach means common. What is the name of the beach? Marina Beach. See, I have written everything in capital. So Marina Beach is a proper noun. Wright brothers discovered the aeroplane. So Wright brothers is the name of persons. They only discovered the aeroplane. So specific name of persons. So this is proper noun. Taj Mahal is one of the 7 wonders. Okay, so 7 wonders of the world. So Taj Mahal is a monument's name. It may be a monument name also. Qutub Minar, Taj Mahal, anything. Eiffel Tower, anything. So these monuments name will come under proper noun. Even rivers will come under proper noun. Languages will come under proper noun. Religions will come under proper noun. Taj Mahal is a monument and it is one of the 7 wonders of the world. So it is a proper noun. Next sentence. So Deepavali is the festival of light. Deepavali is the festival of light. So Deepavali is a proper noun. Okay. All festivals are not Diwali. Festivals is a common noun, but Deepavali is a specific name of a festival. So it is a proper noun. Delhi is the capital of India. Again, capital of India is Delhi. Delhi and India are proper nouns because name of place. Then Asia is the biggest continent. Again, we should underline only the proper noun. Asia. Continent name is what? Asia, proper noun. Sita is a good girl. So girl is a common noun. And what is the name? Specific name of the good girl? Sita. Sita is a proper noun. Proper noun of person. Asia is proper noun of place. Delhi is proper noun of place. Okay, this is proper noun of festivals. Diwali. Next, Sania Mirza is a popular player. So Sania Mirza is the proper noun. Next, underline the common nouns. Here you should underline only the common nouns. The boy plays well. Boy is a common noun. There are 10 eggs in the tray. Eggs and tray are common noun. Tray is called as a tray only. Tray is called as a tray. Eggs are commonly called as eggs only. So both are common. Anu saw an animal in the zoo. So Anu is a name of a specific name of a girl, it is proper noun. They have asked you to underline only common noun, so you leave this and underline animal is a common noun, okay, and zoo is a common place. Bag is on the table. So bag is a common noun, table is a common noun. The woodcutter cut the tree. The woodcutter is a common noun, tree is a common noun. Common noun of things. Tree is a common noun of things. Woodcutter is a common noun of persons. Bag and table are common nouns of things. Next, coming to the next sentence. Birds fly in the sky. Birds, common noun. Sky is also the place where, common place where birds fly. So, not only birds, aeroplanes, helicopters, anything flies. Fly. So, sky is a common place. It is a common noun. Birds also common noun. Birds are called as birds only. Okay. So, underline the collective noun. Next. A bunch of grapes. So, collective nouns means what? It tells about it is a single group which comprises the same kind. So, bunch of grapes is the collective noun. Fleet, there are fleet of ships. Fleet of ships is the collective noun. So, in that fleet you can find only ships, not other than that. In that bunch you can find only grapes. So, bunch of grapes, fleet of ships, crowd of people, collective noun. Crowd of people is a collective noun of persons. Bunch of grapes and fleet of ships is the collective noun of things. So, a crowd of people gathered. Here, crowd comprises only people, not ships or grapes or keys. So, this is a collective noun. I presented a bouquet of flowers to my friend. So, bouquet of flowers is the collective noun. The family arrived. Family is a collective noun for persons. So, family, a group of persons in the same family. Only the same persons will stay in the group. We cannot go into a family. Family comprises of particular persons. So, same kind of persons. Mother, father, children. Okay. So, family is the collective noun. This is my nation. Nation is the collective noun.